Be joined by my twin, Reese, and
his cousin Jack.
Alright, let's get started. So do not try this at home.
Because science.
Yeah.
Now everyone loves onions except for me.
I don't like onions.
Onions are gross, especially on burger. Ben.
Alright, you guys gonna put it in the microwave?
Yeah. No, Ben, not yet. Here, I'll grab this part.
Yeah, that's good.
Then I'll
Yeah, let's go put it in the microwave.
Alright, let's go, Ben.
Okay, I say 3 minutes.
No,
2,
no,
2,
no.
2,
Stop.
2.
Dom, what do you think?
Put whatever.
2 minutes. No, Ben, it's not gonna do anything. Oh. There we go. It wasn't gonna do anything for 5 seconds. Alright. So far, nothing is happening to the onions. What do you think is gonna happen, Reese?
Gonna be super hot and smell disgusting.
Yep. What do you think is gonna happen, Reese? And Ben?
Same thing.
I think it's just gonna get super hot and smell bad, like we said. I say we put it in for another minute if nothing happens.
Okay. And do not try this at home.
You heard the man. Alright. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright.
Nothing happened.
Oh no, something did happen.
Take it out, take it out.
It's hot.
So we're gonna.
If we had water, we can make stew.
Okay. Alright, describe it.
It's hot. It smells disgusting. It's moist. All of the
Ugh.
water came out of it.
No. So weird.
Alright, Ben,
Okay,
how do you feel about it?
Someone has to eat it.
No,
Good.
no. How you feel it's good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just kidding, I didn't eat it. No way I'd eat that. Alright. I say another minute.
Okay.
Wait, no. Alright, Ben, outro.
Peace out.